His question is Huzur based on a hadith. The hadith says that whether the imam is a pious man or a sinner, the muqtadin should follow him in namaz,
Yes.
even if he commits any kabair. So his question is this behind such an imam.
This is a question which was raised yesterday as well, last night. It's very important to keep order. Otherwise, everyone can consider somebody to be a real deep sinner and refuse to say prayer behind him. If this is permitted, then there will be total disorder, and you won't be able to find an imam who is perfectly innocent. So it will be left to those who doubt about the piety of others. If they have a definite proof against such a person, they can report the matter to the higher authorities, and the higher authorities will investigate, and if the report is correct, found to be correct, then they will naturally remove him and also punish him accordingly. So this is very important. The matter is not left to those who worship behind an imam, but it is highly important to keep the unity of Islam. Otherwise there will be disorder and chaos. This young boy will also have question. Who is he? Whose son?
Is my son.
Your son? Really? MashaAllah, come on. Most welcome.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.